I was born and raised in Norman. It's been a great experience and a great community to live in. Everything I do every day is focused around the quality of the product that we build. My name is Vicki. I'm the plant manager in Norman, Oklahoma. I see the level of commitment and dedication that American employees have. Johnson Controls has a lot of impact in this community. The Norman facility has several employees out there that their parents worked here or their wife works here. My mother has worked here for 45 years, so I have been literally raised in the halls of this building. I started out as a temporary employee, basically as a summer job, and then eventually worked my way into different leadership roles. This company has supported me my entire life. I've raised 2 children. I've went to school while I worked here, and it helped pay for my bachelor's and my master's degree. I spent a lot of time networking in different groups. One of the other ways that I serve the community is I am participating on the Stormwater Committee. We are reviewing improvements to our stormwater system and to the quality of the water in the community. Everyone who walks through the door has a responsibility to quality. Our employees really understand what our customers' expectations are. We manufacture a product that's built to last. When you leave each day, you know that you're making an impact. I helped build that. I helped make that.